This is going to be the elevator at Boscov's in the High Valley Mall. Look what we have. Oh my gosh, you've got to love KONE. I found KONE. This used to be a Dover, it's now KONE. Look at this. Wow.
Like young boys or juniors? Like him.
Really busy.
Around this area.
This elevator is very busy.
My sister had it.
Is it broken or something? Oh, here it is. Hello. Sorry. Okay, I guess we'll get a quick cab view here. This is a nice elevator. Listen to the motor. Number one. This is really nice for a KONE. This used to be a Dover. And then KONE modernized it in 2014. There's a freight elevator here too, but we're not going to ride it though. Because obviously it's for employees. But it has peely doors I peeked in. Alright. There it goes, and that's it.